How does a walking foot actually walk? To understand that, we need to know what happens normally. The feed dogs on a sewing machine are the only thing that usually moves the fabric. They move in time with the needle movement to pull the fabric at the perfect speed as the presser foot holds it all down in place. This means that the fabric is only pulled from underneath, which is fine for a lot of projects, but for sewing multiple layers like quilting, or fabrics prone to stretching like knits or dragging like vinyl, the bottom fabric ends up moving quicker and more easily while the top fabric drags against the foot, and this stretches and distorts the top fabric. A walking foot has its own feed dogs. It has a special arm that hooks over the needle bar. By timing the walking foot movement with the needle, it can match the speed of the fabric movement to the feed dogs in the sewing machine underneath. So you can see as I move the needle bar hook, the feed dogs are moving with it, and it looks just like it's walking. The uneven surface underneath helps it to grip the fabric, just like the tread on a shoe helps you not to slip on the floor. That means that as you sew, the top and bottom fabrics are being grabbed like a sandwich. They're pulled through equally from above and below at exactly the same time and the same speed. Any fabric layers in the centre will also move equally because the fabric above and below are moving at the same speed in the same direction, so it just naturally pulls along with them. This means that now all the layers stay lined up, which helps stop any distortion and keeps all the fabric the same length by the time you've sewn your seam.
If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like and follow for more.